never forget the moment the doctor looked into my eyes and said, "You're lucky to be alive." I had just delivered my second baby, and days later, I was hit with 2 infections that nearly killed me.
A reporter will always ask, what are we doing here today? And basically, why are you here? What are you here to talk about? Who, what, where, why, and when? So you want to be sure that you can answer that in 1 or 2 sentences.
For 2 reasons. One, I like to share big ideas, perhaps new approaches, to allow those in attendance to look at their work a little bit differently.
I knew I wanted to be happy. I knew I needed to do something that was going to fulfill me, mind, body, spirit. But now, going forward, I want to do even more.
And I determined my time, my place, and my agenda every day.
The design lost its business sensibility because of the way the academic programs evolved. And that's a problem.
Sure. Ella, I believe that public speaking is a way to express yourself. Very similar to a musician or a dancer.